Hello folks, welcome back to the channel Techado. Today it's going to be a very interesting episode about a brand new iPhone tutorial, one of the hidden secret that you might have known just now or you might have not known at all. You can use this trick for a lot of purposes, and it's a very handy trick. To make sure that this trick works or this feature work, make sure you go to your settings and update your iPhones to iOS 14. If you do not update your phone to iOS 14, this feature might not work on your iPhone. So let's share you the secret of the new iPhone or the new iOS 14. Will work on iPhone 11 Pro, will work on your iPhone 11 10, will work on iPhone 10R, and obviously the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Mini, the 12 Pro Max, the 11 Pro Max, the 10s. There are so many models now. Okay, let's dive in. Alrighty folks, at first what I'm going to do is that I'm going to screen record the feature of your iPhone, and let's see what all changes you need to make this work. So you know that the new iPhone 10, 10R, 11, 11 Pro Max, 12, 12 Pro, basically everything after iPhone 8 and SE does not have the touch button, right? So for that you have to do a gesture, and once you do the gesture you see all of my apps are open, right? And when you do this gesture, which is going to be like this, and every time you are opening and closing your applications, so you want to turn that gesture off and you want something to access easily. For that, head over to your settings. First thing first, you're going to notice whether you are having, in general, whether your iPhone is updated to software version 14.14 and above or not. So for myself, my iPhone is updated to iOS 14. From there, I go back to settings again and I head over to accessibility. Accessibility is the place where all the magic happens. Okay, from accessibility, head over to touch, and from touch there is something that you will see right now which is called back tap, and in back tap you can select whatever you want. So in double tap you can select to come back to home screen, control center, lock screen. So let's select app switcher and see what this back tap actually does. So basically I'm going to get out, I'm going to take my phone, and once I take my phone I double tap it. Once I double tap, you see that the app switcher comes out, and then like I can close off my files. Now if you do not want to do that, you can go to settings again, and maybe you like other features. So let's go to accessibility, and then we go to touch, and then we go to back tap, and then from double tap we want to go to home screen. So let's go to home screen. Okay, so for example I have opened up Supreme, okay, and I'm shopping for Supreme products, but I want to go back to home screen. All I do is take my phone and double tap, it goes back to the home screen. So these are some customizable features that you can use for accessibility. I'm going to keep app switcher because I use that a lot. Now there is something called triple tap. In triple tap I use a lot of screenshots, so you can do that, or you can use magnifier if you want. So for our senior citizens, and a lot of my videos are as tutorials, so I'm going to show this for people, those who are seniors, doesn't know how to turn on the magnifier on and off, and wants it as like a tap so that they can quickly access it. I'm going to turn I'm going to turn the back tap, triple tap actually, as a magnifier. So let's open up. Why am I watching drones again out here? I mean, it's like, this is just okay. Anyways, so this is a page in eBay, and all I do is triple tap. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, magnifier, 1 2 3. Magnifier comes out. Now with this magnifier I can check what's going on, zoom in, zoom out. That's actually a nice picture, to be honest. I can actually turn on the flashlight and zoom in. Most important feature that I use a lot in triple tap is going to be screenshot. So, I would use screenshot. So again, to do a screenshot, all you do is triple tap, 1, 2, 3, and it takes a screenshot. Alrighty folks, that was it from the channel Techado. It was a very short tutorial, or a small tutorial you would say. There are other iOS 14 features that I have done in depth about. Go ahead and watch those playlists. I've created a small playlist about iOS 14. Usually I started that from iOS 12. But in iOS 14, if you want to know more tips and tricks that you'd really want to use, like how to use a mouse with your iPhone, how to connect an external hard drive to an iPhone, how to take SD cards from your cameras and put it in your iPhone, and you can transfer videos directly from a camera to your iPhone so that you can upload faster. Do check out my playlist. I have put the playlist in link in description. If you want to purchase the new iPhone 12, 12 Pro Max, they are already available right now, and I will post a link down below. I will definitely post a link down below. My favorite color is going to be the Pacific Blue. I love the Pacific Blue. So thank you for joining us in Techado, and we are going to proceed again about another tutorial which is going to happen next week, and we are going to talk more about some other features that you can find on your iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, 11, 11 Pro Max, 10, 10R, 10S, 10X Max, and all the iPhones out there. So good night, take care, see you guys on another episode. Ciao.